Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned.
Hey you guys, I hope all is well. I know it's been a while. A lot has been going on, and the vlog videos will be going up soon. For those of you who are new, hey, my name is Toya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rain, Mamie, and Ezekiel. On this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, and any other thing I like to vlog. On today, we are doing our summer clean on our front porch. I didn't do a spring clean, so this is more like a depression, anxiety, ADHD clean on my porch. And this is the first thing that you see when you walk into my house. So it's been a little crazy, so I really hope that y'all enjoy this and the ending result. Please stay till the end. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all later in the video.
And we reach a point we can't rewind. Changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah. She turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something. Rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
You want my powers, I will show you where they go. You like the wind, I'll tell you where it goes. Clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go, yeah. You need my energy, I'll show you where to go. You want the rivers, let me show you where they flow. Clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go. You want the highest building in your town. Where's my trees? I don't see them around here no
You wanna go to Mars, but the soil is full of mercury. Keep my water clean, free from PVC. How many pieces of plastic in the Tennessee River? I hope this makes you see things clearer.
All I see is walls. Where is my son? I don't know. Maybe he's gone. Skyscrapers, 100,000 acres. Betrayed your maker. Floating in the river, mostly plastic bottles. Water's so polluted, I don't see my own reflection. Call her mother, but where's your affection, my child? Where's your affection, my child?
For ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did you want on vacation? Leave me no affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did you mind go on vacation? Leave me no affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know?
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
Alright you guys, we are 2 minutes from the end of this video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, spending your precious time with us, because time is oh so precious. For we are the family that love life and having fun, and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Don't forget to click the subscription box down below. Turn it red to gray to join our wonderful family. I don't make edits when I make mistakes, because guess what? We are all human. So therefore you can see how much I actually talk wrongly. But go ahead and like and comment where you are today, and go ahead and give me a bumblebee as your emoji in the comment box. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.